This is Hannah, learning with all the people at Petco. And she's wearing her Adopt Me outfit. Look, Adopt Me! And she's very friendly and social. Hannah Banana! Hannah, you're not the shy girl we thought you were. You just were scared. You just were scared at the shelter. That's all. Look at the tail, Wiggy Waggy. Look. Oh my God. She's so funny.
You are not shy.
She just wants some love. She just wants love and attention, right, Hannah? Say, please adopt me at Concord.com. Oh, no, no, no.
No, baby.
No, honey. She just got spayed. Look what we just bought for you. Look, Comfy Cold. We're going to put it on you. She's like, no, I don't want that on me.
Cute t-shirt.
She's like, I don't want a Comfy Cold.
Good in clothes.
She's so friendly. We didn't know this was in her.
She's so scared.
She's fascinated with the rodents.
She's looking at the... Hi! Hey, Munchkin! Who's your little Munchkin? Look! Show everybody. Oh, you want to go say hi to those girls over there?
Come on, baby.
You want to go meet new people?
Her name is Hannah.
Look! She's not shy at all. Look at that! She's not shy. You like everybody. Oh, we got to get her a nice home.
If she's this friendly this quick, she's really friendly.
Who's the prettiest? Who's the prettiest?